Top 10 strongest earthquake in the Philippines.
Number 10.
2002 Palimbang earthquake. With a magnitude of 6.8 and 8 fatalities, the March 6, 2002 Palimbang earthquake is one of the strongest tremors that hit Mindanao. The quake's epicenter is located at Isilan, Sultan Kudarat, with the town of Palimbang as the most devastated area.
Number 9.
2012 Negros Occidental earthquake. This 6.9 magnitude earthquake that hit Negros Islands and Cebu led to the death of 52 people, at least 29 of which were buried in 30-foot-high soil due to a landslide. Meanwhile, around 112 were injured, and 62 went missing because of the quake.
Number 8.
1973 RAGAY Gulf earthquake. On March 17, 1973, a magnitude 7 earthquake wreaked havoc on the town of Calawag, Quezon. More than 360 residential houses in the town were either totally or partially destroyed. The disaster led to 14 deaths and about 100 injuries. The shaking was felt primarily in Luzon and northern Visayas.
Number 7.
1990 Panay earthquake. This 7.1 magnitude quake with an epicenter at Calaysay, Antique Province, hit the islands of Panay on June 14, 1990. This catastrophe led to 8 casualties and 41 injuries. This earthquake toppled 15% of residential houses in Calaysay, Antique. Commercial buildings such as warehouses and banks were damaged. Schools, churches, bridges, and government buildings were also affected. The estimated cost of damage is 30 million pesos.
Number 6.
1994 Mindoro earthquake. At 3:15 a.m. on November 15, 1994, a 7.1 magnitude earthquake rocked the residents of Oriental Mindoro in the middle of their sleep. 5 minutes after the main quake, tsunami waves as tall as 8.5 meters, the same height as a 3-story building, destroyed 1,530 houses in the coastal areas of Baco Islands and Calapan. 78 people were confirmed dead, almost half of which are children who drowned because of the tsunami. The estimated economic damage of the tremor was 156 million
Number
pesos.
5.
2013 Bohol earthquake. On October 15, 2013, a 7.2 magnitude tremor killed more than 200 people, destroyed century-old churches. The catastrophic tremor damaged over 79,000 churches, homes, schools, roads, and public buildings, 14,500 of which were toppled completely.
Number 4.
1968 CASIGURAN earthquake. On August 2, 1968, a 7.3 magnitude earthquake hit Casiguran, Aurora, and left 270 people dead. The most severely damaged was a small part of the Greater Manila area, particularly Binondo and Escalta, where the total cost of structural damages amounted to several $million.
Number 3.
1955 LANAO earthquake. The 7.5 magnitude tectonic earthquake that shocked LANAO del Sur on the first day of April 1955 resulted in the death of 400 people. It also destroyed houses and a mosque in the municipality of Tugaya. There are also reports of damaged wharves in Zamboanga and Pagadian.
Number 2.
1990 Luzon earthquake. On July 16, 1990, one of the strongest earthquakes to ever strike the country occurred in several areas of central Luzon and the Cordillera region, with Baguio City bearing the brunt of the massive tremor. This 7.8 magnitude earthquake resulted in almost 2,000 deaths and severe property damage.
Number 1.
1976 Moro Gulf earthquake, midnight killer. The 1976 Moro Gulf earthquake and tsunami took place on August 17, 1976, at 0:11 local time near the islands of Mindanao and Sulu, in the Philippines. Its magnitude was calculated as being as high as 8.0 on the moment magnitude scale. It was the deadliest and strongest earthquake in the Philippines in 58 years since the 1918 Celebes Sea earthquake. The tsunami reached 4 to 5 meters or 13 to 16 feet, casualties, 5,000 to 8,000 killed, 10,000 injured and 90,000 homeless.